How's it going, everybody? My name's DJ Chris. Live down here in Georgia, and I got to thinking the other day. I was just driving around, and got to thinking about all the demos for fog machines, and will they set off your smoke detector or sprinkler alarm or whatever. And I got to thinking, I did a lot of searching on YouTube before I bought the ADJ Fog Fury Faze. And I got to thinking, I haven't actually seen anybody do a video with a smoke detector. So I went by the local fire department, some guys I know, and got a little education on it, and found out, which I did not know, that the actual sprinkler heads are set to heat. So a fog machine will never, ever set off the water sprinkler system. So you don't have to worry about, getting your venue soaking wet, your equipment soaking wet, or anything like that. The fog machine will never set off the sprinkler system. But they can set off the smoke detectors. So what I've done is, and they also told me that nowadays they're coming out with different kinds of smoke detectors, mainly for residential. Living room, bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, that kind of thing. Some are more sensitive than others. Like they told me in the kitchen now, they're not as sensitive, so you don't set it off when you burn the toast, kind of thing. So what I've done is I've tried to close off my garage. It's a 2-car garage. I've got it about 1/4 of it blocked off. There is a little space up there at the top because I don't have Mythbusters budget, and a little space right here, and then the rest is junk. So this is probably, I don't know, about 4 feet or so, and with about 1 foot at the top, and that tarp goes all the way to the floor. This one, it's got about 3 foot to the floor, but it's kind of blocked off with my DJ stuff. So what I'm going to do is, I got my Fog Fury Faze heating up, and I'm going to use, what I got with it is Chauvet DJ, I can't read my glasses on, formulated specifically for use in all water-based machines. So this is water-based fog fluid, and I'm going to be using this, let's see, where are we? There we go. Kitty 10-year worry-free, just a smoke detector for the living area. I'm hoping that's going to be good enough. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it up here on the wall somewhere and leave my machine back here. It's heated up, it's ready to go. So I'm going to put this on the wall. I'm going to have a timer going, and we're going to see how long it takes to set this fire alarm off. Stay tuned. All right, so I think I'm set up now. The ADJ Fog Fury Faze and smoke detector up there above the garage door. Probably about, I don't know, 10 feet, I guess is what it is, 9 feet. And my controller, got my fan turned off. It's hot as blazes in here, and hit the continuous button. See if that'll start cranking out. There we go, and we'll get our timer going. Come on. All right. Trying to back up here a little bit. We're about 33 seconds yeah, I just wanted to check and see just how much it would take. Open that up. There we go. There we go. All right. So coming out, a minute and a half. I know this is real fun video to watch, but haze is staying pretty much in here. Of course, there's no air circulation in here at all. So I'm not blowing anything towards the smoke detector or away from it. I did test it before I put it up. It does go off. It works. So we're at 210 in a closed off room. It's a 2-car garage, and I've got basically a quarter of it blocked off is what we're in. The best I could do anyway. Alright, we're getting pretty smoky. And back up. 37. Can barely see the smoke detector. Still no alarm after 3 minutes and 20 seconds. I guess about a 10 by 10 was that 100 square foot? Let's look back here. Yeah, there's a little bit up there, but compared to in here, so still no smoke alarm. I want to give a shout out to John Young with the Disc Jockey News Network. And of course all the guys that I watch. Brian S. Red. Ricky Webb. And DJ Barr. Rachel Lynch. Y'all be sure to go check out their YouTube channels. I hold them in high regard and you know, I love everything they do. So here we are, we're at 4:46 right now, almost 5 minutes, and I guess 100 cubic foot space. The Fog Fury Faze from American DJ has been running continuously for 5 minutes to the smoke detector that's up here. You know what? Let's try something. Tell you what. There we go. All right. So I had to bring it. Bringing that stuff in. All right. All right, so let me see if I can turn it on. Well, I guess it's in there now. So we were just over 5 minutes. I had to get it right in front of. I'm breathing in so much now. I'm breathing it out my mouth. Well, let's see. All right. Hang on, I'll be right back. All right, got the doors open. I got all the phase out. I got all the fog out. Got the smoke detector finally quit chirping. I had to blow the sensor out a little bit. As you can see, once again, just to recap, probably 100 square foot space I had here, all closed off. Fog Fury Faze ran continuously for 5 minutes. Didn't set the alarm off until I went and pulled it off top of the wall and brought it down, and probably about 6 or 7 feet away from the actual machine itself. I don't see how, if you're in a big venue room, how you're going to set a smoke detector off. It would be very difficult. Once again, you don't have to worry about setting off any sprinkler systems because those are heat activated. Your fog, whatever machine you use, whatever solution you use, is not going to set the sprinkler system off. Yes, they will set off the smoke detectors, but I think for this machine with the American ADJ Fog Fury Faze, it would take a lot to set the smoke detectors off. So once again, be sure to ring my bell, subscribe to my page. I'm just getting started with these YouTube videos. They're kind of fun. I appreciate it. Be sure to check out the Disc Jockey News Network with John Young, Howie Dark Star, Brian Red, Rachel Lynch, Ricky Webb, DJ Barr. All these guys are great, and girls. Rachel, got you. Y'all check them out. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed it.